Hello dear friends, in this video we are going to discuss about the meaning of research. The word research is the combination of two words, one is re and another one is search. So re means again and again and search means search. Thus the meaning of research is search again and again. When we search again and again about new knowledge, discovery, inventions are called research. Actually, this last point is very much important in this etymological meaning of research. Research means search again and again about new knowledge, discovery, and inventions are called research. Research is an organized and systematic way of finding answer to questions. Dear friend, we know that in research the first step is formulation of question or formulations of problems. So in research we deal a questions and at last we get the answer of that questions, and the answer getting procedure should be organized. It means structured in natures as well as systematic in natures. Dear friend, systematic means step by step in a sequential manner, and organized means it is a very structured way or structured form. Research is essentially a systematic inquiry seeking facts through objective, verifiable methods in order to discover the relationship among them and to produce from them broad principles or laws. Dear friends, actually, research is a systematic inquiry. It is a systematic inquiry of seeking fact according to our objective or the researcher's objective by following a verified methods or a verifiable methods to discover a relationship among them, and according to that relationship the researcher deduce a principle or a law. Research is really a method of critical thinking. It comprises defining and redefining problems, formulating hypotheses or suggested solution, collecting, organizing, and evaluating data, making deduction, and making conclusion, and at last carefully testing the conclusion to determine whether they fit the formulated hypothesis or not. Dear friend, really, research is a method of critical thinking. It is a method of critical thinking. And dear friend, in this definition, we can formulate the step of research. The first step of research is to defining and redefining a problems. And after defining and redefining a problem, the researcher formulate hypothesis or suggested solution or hunch. And after formulation of hypothesis, the researchers is going to collect data, and after collection of data the researcher organize that collected data, and after organization of collected data the researcher going towards the step of evaluation of organized data, and after evaluations of organized data the researchers is going towards conclusions, and at last the researcher is testing the conclusion to determine whether they fit with the formulated hypothesis or not. The Webster's International Dictionary gives a very inclusive definition of research. According to Webster's International Dictionary, research as carefully critical inquiry or examination in seeking fact or principle, diligent investigation in order to ascertain something. According to this dictionary, research is a careful and a critical inquiry or examination of seeking fact or principle. Diligent investigations in order to ascertain something. Francis G. Cornell defines research as the activity of collecting information in an orderly and systematic fashion. Yes, according to Cornell's research as the activity of collecting information in an orderly or a systematic fashion. According to him, it is an activity of collection of information in a orderly and in a systematic way. Then, according to Longman Dictionary of Contemporary English, research as a serious study of a subject that is intended to discover new fact or test idea. According to this dictionary, research is a very serious study of a subject which is intended to discover new fact and new test idea. Research may be defined as the systematic and objective analysis and recording of controlled observation that may lead to the development of generalization, principle, or theories resulting in prediction and possible control of event. This definition is given by John W. Best and Khan. According to him, research may be defined as a systematic and objective. It is a systematic process and it has some specific objective analysis and recording of control observation. And whatever a researcher observe, that all are recorded, that maybe leads the development of generalization, principle, or theories. And according to the researchers observations, we develop or the researcher develop or generalize different kind of principle, different kind of theories, different kind of laws, rules, regulations, etc., resulting in prediction and possible control of the event. According to Kerlinger, research is a systematic, controlled, empirical, and critical investigation of hypothetical proposition about the presumed relation among natural phenomena. Yes, research is a systematic, controlled, or it is a systematic process where the researcher controls some things. It is empirical in nature. It means whatever activity are going on in research, all are direct observations of researchers, and it is critical investigations of hypothetical prepositions about the presumed relations. And it means in research we critically investigate the hypothetical prepositions and relate among natural phenomena which would result the formulation of new theory or the discovery of new technique, modification of old concept, or knocking off an existing theory or concept of technique. Dear friends, all the above informations are collected from different book and internet and different website. Thank you, dear friends, for watching this video.